There are various animals living in the wild. Lions are the strongest animals in the wild in terms of combat attributes. The patrol for today has begun. He patrols his territory. He checks to see if any animals have invaded his territory. Lions are very protective of their territory. Strong. The lion strikes decisively. It seems that it has discovered an intruder. The intruders turn out to be a group of gorillas. Gorillas are also a type of primate. They are significantly larger in size. Along with the gorillas, there are also baboons and monkeys living together. The lion takes the initiative to attack. It drives them away. The monkeys flee in a panic. They all run up into the trees. They hide at the top of the trees thanks to their lightweight bodies. And these branches are strong enough to support their weight. However, it is quite difficult for the lion to catch them. Although lions can climb trees, some branches simply cannot support its weight. As for the monkey, it quickly climbed to the top of the tree. The lion followed closely behind. The two sides met on the branches. The monkey also let out a scream. The monkey jumped between two tree trunks, teasing the lion. The lion was extremely angry. The monkey's running speed on land was not that fast. In the end, it was caught by the lion. This poor monkey lost its life due to its carelessness. The lion, with the help of its companions, successfully climbed onto the ground. Meanwhile, the monkey hid in a dead tree, caught in a dilemma. In the end, it could only become the lion's food. It is truly very pitiful.